PPO's smart imaging system combines hyperspectral imaging, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics software to find and remove a wide variety of low-density foreign materials in your product stream. Not all foreign material detection systems are created equal. Traditional methods such as X-ray and metal detection can still let organic and very small materials slip through.
The result? Processors are faced with lost product, brand damage, and even costly recalls. PPO's smart imaging system uses hyperspectral imaging to see what other systems miss, including plastic, cardboard, wood, and more, down to very small sizes. Proven on beef processing lines, the system uses advanced AI and machine learning to detect contaminants with high accuracy. And real-time inline analysis ensures rejections can be viewed immediately without slowing down production. Designed to work in harsh environments, PPO's smart imaging system is proven where it matters most, on the plant floor. Its watertight, fully sealed design withstands the toughest washdown routines and all common sanitation practices. Working with the smart imaging system, PPO Insight software provides real-time, line-level data with an easy dashboard to track quality metrics and foreign material incidents.
Without PPO, none of these products would have been removed from our product stream. And with our 2 PPO systems, we've already saved over $2 million in just 10 months.
PPO Smart Imaging. Plant-proven foreign material detection for meat and poultry processors. Learn more at ppo.ca.